Hello, children. You are welcome to the digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Gadawara. I am Amit Toshniwal, your English teacher. This video is for class 8. Subject is English. Lesson number 4, the Narmada, the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. Part 2. I believe you might be curious to know more about Narmada ji. In first part, we could complete half of the lesson, and I can understand your curiosity. You want to know more? So let us start with the story of Narmada. I have my origin from the Mackall ranges. It means Narmada ji generates, the main source is in Mackall ranges. It's a mountain, it's a peak of mountain. This beautiful place named Amarkantak near Anuppur. At Amarkantak, I appear from a source. That source is Kund, Narmada Kund. So from there, Narmada ji starts. Her journey begins. From this Kund, I flow in the form of a narrow stream and reach a place where once stood the ashram of Kapil Muni. So actually it's a stream, a very narrow stream current. आपको ऐसा लगेगा it starts. So how a baby is, so she is small in size and appearance. Likewise, Narmada ji appears very small, very narrow, with narrow stream, narrow current, from where she starts. So on its way, there is ashram of Kapil Muni. Here people call me Doodh Dhara. So the water of Ma Narmada is that pure and white that it looks like milk, and that stream of Ma Narmada is called Doodh Dhara, Doodh ki Dhara, because she looks like milk. From Amarkantak, I pass through Dindori. These are the districts from where Narmada ji passes: Dindori, Mandala and Jabalpur. So near Jabalpur, you might have heard a name. Which one? Yes, Bheda Ghat, Dhuandhar Jalprapat. Yes. So at Bheda Ghat, Jabalpur, my banks are adorned with marble rocks. So at her banks, there are marble rocks, and it looks very beautiful, especially during moonlight. People from all over the world come to see me gracefully flowing through the rocks. So from every corner of the world, tourists visit Bheda Ghat to see the beauty of Ma Narmada. Those who watch my beauty in the light of the full moon forget everything and feel as if they have reached the abode of God. So as I was saying you, अभी हमने कहा था, during moonlight, यानी कि on the day of full moon, पूर्णिमा के दिन, जब चारों तरफ चांदनी बिखरी होती है, So that time, the scene, the sight of Ma Narmada looks so adorable, so decorative, so beautiful. So when people who watch this scene, this sight, they forget everything. They forget their sorrows of life. And they feel that they are in the lap of God. भगवान की गोद में है. They are in paradise. They are in heaven. स्वर्ग में है. ऐसा महसूस करते हैं वो लोग. Just above Bhera Ghat, I make a wonderful waterfall. Did anyone of you go visit Bhera Ghat? How many of you? If you didn't, you must go and watch the glory of Ma Narmada. A beautiful, wonderful waterfall is there. The falling water splits into fine droplets in the air. So when the water falls, it splits into the fine droplets. It looks like drizzling, it looks like showering in the air. And it creates like a fog everywhere. Fog, you understand? During winter, very early in the morning, there are droplets hanging in the air, in the atmosphere, and you say it kohara. So fog means kohara. Nothing is seen, nothing is seen. So fine droplets are hanging in the air and it creates a scene of fog. And that waterfall is known as Dhuandhar Jal Prapat. The name of that waterfall is Dhuandhar Jal Prapat. From this place I flow through. अब आगे की जर्नी के बारे में यहाँ पर कि फ्रॉम विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट शी पासेस. नरसिंहपुर, रायसेन, होशंगाबाद, हांडिया एंड नेमावर. So Nemavar is the half of my journey to the sea. Nemavar. Sithani Ghat at Hoshangabad and the Ghat of Maheshwar, where stand the humble palaces of Devi Ahilya Bai, have their own importance and scenic beauty. Sethani Ghat, there people worship Ma Narmada, and that worshipping, when they worship and do all arti and all, when they offer their prayers to Ma Narmada, especially on Amavasya, that is New Moon Day, Full Moon Day, and Purnima, and Narmada Jayanti. So there Devi Ahilya Bai, है ना, the queen of Indore. So she built her palaces, and they are of very, they have got an importance of history in history, and they create a scenic beauty there. Omkareshwar is another very important place of pilgrimage on my bank. Omkareshwar is near Indore, means it is on the way of Khandwa to Indore. Khandwa और इंदौर के बीच में पड़ता है. तो ओंकारेश्वर इट्स अ पिलग्रिमेज, तीर्थ स्थान है ना, where the idol of Lord Shiva is also there, Shivlinga, it is also there. Beside this, people have built big dams across me. बांध बनाए हैं नर्मदा जी पर बहुत सारे. द डैम एट पुनासा इन खंडवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज़ इंदिरा सागर डैम. तो खंडवा में जो नर्मदा जी हैं वहाँ पर पुनासा एक प्लेस है. कौन सा डैम है वहाँ पर? इंदिरा सागर. एंड वन इन गुजरात. सो द नेम ऑफ दैट डैम इज़ सरदार सरोवर डैम. Thus, people will be able to get more water for irrigation and generate electricity also. So see how useful rivers are. They are not only rivers, they are lifeline of our country, all the rivers. So since Narmada ji passes through many districts of Madhya Pradesh, therefore she is called lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. जीवन रेखा कहते हैं उसको. Why? Because canals are distributed to fields from Ma Narmada and fields are being irrigated. Big dams are constructed on across Ma Narmada and we are generating hydroelectricity. पानी से बिजली बनती है, पन बिजली जिसको हम कहते हैं वो बनाई जाती है, तो बिजली भी मिलती है हमको यहाँ से. I must mention here that a big city like Indore gets its water supply from me, though I am quite far off the city. In Indore, the water supply which is done by municipal corporation, it is through नर्मदा पाइपलाइन, है ना. जबकि इंदौर कितना दूर है वहाँ से, नर्मदा जी से. इन सराउंडिंग एरियाज, इन सराउंडिंग प्लेसेस, इन सराउंडिंग विलेजेस, नर्मदा जी डज नॉट पास थ्रू. इवन देन वाटर सप्लाई इन इंदौर इज डन विद द वाटर ऑफ नर्मदा. क्रॉसिंग धार एंड बरवानी, ये भी इंदौर के पास है, मालवा रीजन में आने वाले शहर हैं धार एंड बड़वानी. आई एंटर महाराष्ट्र एंड देन गुजरात. इन गुजरात अ नंबर ऑफ रिवर्स ज्वाइन मी एंड आई टेक ऑन एन एनॉर्मस शेप. बहुत सारी नदियाँ आकर उसमें मिल जाती हैं, चंबल, ताप्ती, रेवा, सीता, ये सब नदियाँ उसमें मिलती हैं. तो एनॉर्मस, a very huge shape, a very big shape Narmada ji takes. From here I continue my journey to meet the Gulf of Khambat at Vimleshwar. और डेस्टिनेशन कहाँ पर है, कहाँ जाकर मीट करती हैं वो? खम्बात की खाड़ी में, है ना, जो कहाँ पर है? विमलेश्वर में है. From Amarkantak to Vimleshwar I travel 1310 kilometers in all. अमरकंटक से विमलेश्वर तक कितनी दूरी तय की? 1310 kilometers. Thousands of people, men and women, young and old, undertake pilgrimage all along my length and around it, जिसको हम नर्मदा परिक्रमा कहते हैं. सुना है ना नाम? आप में से कुछ लोगों के घर से लोग गए भी होंगे नर्मदा जी की परिक्रमा पर. तो पीपल, whether they are old, they are young, they takes oath to make a circle of Ma Narmada, that is called Narmada Parikrama. They call it the Holy Parikrama. See, in the next line it is written, they call it the Holy Parikrama and consider it as a great pilgrimage. बहुत बड़ी तीर्थ यात्रा मानी जाती है ये, and a religious achievement of their life. तो आफ्टर मेकिंग परिक्रमा दे फील दैट देयर सिंस आर अबॉलिश्ड, उनके पाप धुल गए हैं. दे फील प्योरिटी, दे फील सेरेनिटी एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मीन्स, व्हाट हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड, व्हाट हैव यू अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम दिस लेसन? हाँ, rivers are very useful for mankind. They are not only rivers, they are source of life, because we get water and water is used for many purposes. Not only irrigation and generating electricity, we use in many purposes. हम बहुत सारी जगहों पर काम में लेते हैं. तो you must take an oath, then you should keep clean rivers bank. At the bank of rivers you must not spread any dirt. कोई गंदगी नहीं फैलाना चाहिए. नर्मदा जी जाते हैं हम बहुत सारी अगरबत्तियाँ लगाते हैं, उसके पैकेट वहीं फेंक देते हैं। नारियल चढ़ाते हैं, उसका पूरा नारियल का ऊपर का छिलका बूँछ वगैरह निकाल के डाल देते हैं। तो व्हाट ऑल वी आर डूइंग, क्या कर रहे हैं हम? वी आर स्प्रेडिंग डर्ट एंड वी आर स्पॉइलिंग द प्योरिटी ऑफ रिवर्स। तो हमको ये नहीं करना चाहिए। वी मस्ट कीप क्लीन रिवर्स एंड आवर सराउंडिंग्स टू। ऑब्वियसली हमको अपनी सराउंडिंग्स भी क्लीन रखना चाहिए। बट व्हेन वी गो टू पिलग्रिमेज देन वी शुड मेक अ नोट दैट नो डर्ट शुड बी स्प्रेड, है ना। उसको साफ करने में हमको योगदान देना चाहिए। ओके, थैंक यू।